How to log in to IndusInd Bank account online. Welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today we will be learning how you can easily sign in or log into your IndusInd Bank account online in just a few simple steps, whether you are logging it for the first time or just need a quick guide. First of all, launch open a web browser of your preference on a computer, and then in the URL box type in indusind.bank.in and search. You'll find yourself in the official website for IndusInd Bank. From the main home screen, go to the top right corner and find the login drop-down in order to sign into your online banking account. Now, go to the login button right next to net banking and click on it. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this login page. Go ahead and enter your user ID in the text box that appears on the screen. Make sure that your user ID is correct. After entering the user ID associated with your account, you can click on Sign In. But in case you've forgotten your user ID, click on the Forgot User ID link and follow through the on-screen instructions to find your credentials. But if the credential is correct, click on Sign In, and on the next page, you'll be asked for your password. Make sure you type in your password correctly and complete the security verification if prompted. Once verified, you'll successfully log into your IndusInd Bank account dashboard. That's how you log into your IndusInd Bank account online. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple banking tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment box below, and thanks for watching.